Downtown Honolulu, off the left-hand side of the aircraft, ladies and gentlemen. Focal point, the Aloha Tower, built in the 1930s in commemoration of boat days, as ships may call crossing the Pacific at the time of its construction. It was the tallest building in the city. Inland of the downtown area, Punchbowl National Cemetery of the Pacific. Also in the downtown area is the Aulani Palace, the only royal residence built on U.S. soil. Constructed in 1882 by then King David Kalakaua, nicknamed the Merry Monarch, followed by Koala Base, departure point of the evening dinner cruises and deep-sea fishing charters. Presently a beam of Ala Moana Beach State Park with Magic Island in the foreground. Just beyond is the Ala Yacht Basin at the entrance to world-famous Waikiki. Former vacationing spot of Hawaiian royalty is built on land reclaimed from duck ponds and taro patches, translated from Hawaiian means spouting waters. At the end of Waikiki, in the vicinity of the Gold Coast, is Mount Leahi, Rao of the Tuna, more commonly known as Diamond Head. This prominent symbol of Hawaii received her name when British soldiers saw calcite crystals on her slopes and mistook them for diamonds. The buildings visible inside the extinct volcanic crater house the FAA, Civil Defense, and Hawaii National Guard. Once the captain completes this slight left turn, we'll be flying along East Honolulu from the Kahala district down to Hawaii Kai in the shadow of Koko Head. At that point, we'll begin our crossing of the Kaidi or Molokai Channel, which separates Oahu from Molokai, fifth largest in the chain, nicknamed the Friendly Isle. Each year in September and October, outrigger canoe paddlers get in their boats at the Haleolono Harbor on Molokai's southern shore, cross the channel, and end their race at Port Jarusi on Waikiki Beach, making for a crossing of 40.6 miles of some of the roughest waters in the world. Just beneath Diamond Head is small peninsula of land jutting into the sea. This is Black Point, some of the priciest real estate on the island located here. Some are homes of such celebrated figures as Doris Duke and Carol Burnett, Jim Neighbors, and our own Aaron G. located there.